Hey guys, Pendleton here with Adventure Life Decals, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the decal between the front and rear windows. You're going to want to prep the surface by cleaning it with water and a couple drops of dish or baby soap, and I like to add some isopropyl alcohol to help that evaporate faster, and then dry it off with a lint-free cloth. Once the area is clean and dry, grab some masking tape to tape a straight line across so that you can align all three pieces in the exact same position. You're going to want to align the bottom edge with the top of the black rubber trim around the windows. The material we use for these graphics is professional car wrapping material that doesn't adhere until you actually press it down. So grab the side that says driver if you're starting on the driver, passenger if you're starting at the passenger side, front side, front of the vehicle. Peel it off. Line the top edge with your masking tape and press it down with your squeegee. With this, you're going to want to leave an overhang of maybe an 1/8 to 1/4 inch on the far side of the door, just to wrap it around the edge. Take your squeegee and squeegee it down towards the bottom. Push towards the higher part of the door, inwards towards the glass. Once you get inwards enough, grab the rubber around the windows and peel it back. To get the inside edge of the decal that goes around the door, I would recommend using a little bit of heat. No big deal if you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. And a little bit of heat goes a long way with these. After you've done the front piece, go ahead and do the back. Again, lining the top of the decal up with that bottom edge of the tape and leaving about an 1/8 inch on the inside of the door to wrap around the edge. Lastly, for the middle piece, line the top with the masking tape, just like before, and leave about 1/2 of an inch on both sides. Then open your doors and wrap that edge around the edge. Go ahead and remove the masking tape. You're all done. If you have any questions at all about this application before, during, or after you're done installing it, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@adventurelifedecals.com or through the chat box on our website. We'll get back to you as soon as we can.